This is Xenia Roy, and welcome to our Preposition Phrases series. Imagine yourself walking through a beautiful European park, the fresh air, the green trees, and soft sunlight all around. As you enjoy this calm and inspiring atmosphere, let's make your English as natural and confident as the environment. In this session, you'll learn 50 practical preposition-based phrases perfect for daily conversations, travel, work, and studies. Let's take a deep breath, enjoy the scenery, and start learning. Abide by, meaning to follow rules or decisions. Example, every student must abide by the school rules. Account for, meaning to explain or justify something. Can you account for all the expenses last month? Agree with, meaning to share the same opinion with someone. I completely agree with your suggestion. Apply for, meaning to request or seek a position or opportunity. She decided to apply for the internship program. Ask for, meaning to request or seek something. He asked for some help with his project. Back up, meaning to support or save something. Always back up your files on a separate drive. Believe in, meaning to have faith in something or someone. She believes in working hard to achieve success. Blame for, meaning to hold responsible for something. Don't blame me for the mistake. Break into, meaning to enter forcibly. Thieves broke into the house last night. Bring up, meaning to start discussing a topic. She brought up an important topic in the meeting. Call off, meaning to cancel something. They decided to call off the picnic due to rain. Care for, meaning to take care of or like someone or something. She really cares for her younger brother. Catch up with, meaning to reach the same level or stay updated. I need to catch up with the latest news. Check in, meaning to register or report arrival. We need to check in at the hotel by noon. Check out, meaning to leave after payment or investigate. Don't forget to check out of the hotel on time. Come across, meaning to find or meet by chance. I came across an old friend at the market. Come up with, meaning to think of an idea or solution. She came up with a brilliant marketing plan. Count on, meaning to rely on someone. You can always count on me for support. Cut down on, meaning to reduce something. He is trying to cut down on sugar for health reasons. Deal with, meaning to handle or manage something. I have to deal with a difficult client today. Depend on, meaning to rely on someone or something. You can depend on him to finish the task. Die out, meaning to disappear gradually. Many traditional crafts are slowly dying out. Do away with, meaning to eliminate or get rid of. The company plans to do away with old policies. Do without, meaning to manage without something. We can do without sugar in the recipe. Dress up, meaning to wear formal or fancy clothes. She loves to dress up for parties. Drop by, meaning to visit informally. I'll drop by your office tomorrow. Drop out of, meaning to leave or quit a course or activity. He decided to drop out of college. Eat out, meaning to dine at a restaurant. Let's eat out tonight at the new Italian place. End up, meaning to finally reach a place or situation. We ended up watching a movie instead of going shopping. Fall apart, meaning to break into pieces or fail emotionally. The old book started to fall apart. Fall behind, meaning to lag or fail to keep up. I'm falling behind on my assignments. Figure out, meaning to understand or solve something. Can you figure out the answer to this puzzle? Fill in, meaning to complete missing information. Please fill in the form carefully. Find out, meaning to discover information. I just found out that she's moving to Paris. Focus on, meaning to concentrate on something. Try to focus on your studies today. Get along with, meaning to have a friendly relationship. She gets along well with her colleagues. Get away with, meaning to escape consequences. He got away with lying to his parents. Get back at, meaning to take revenge. She plans to get back at her rival playfully. Get back to, meaning to return to someone or something. I'll get back to you about the meeting. Get over, meaning to recover from something. It took her months to get over the accident. Get rid of, meaning to remove or discard. I need to get rid of old clothes. Give in, meaning to yield or surrender. He finally gave in to the children's requests. Give up, meaning to quit or stop trying. Never give up on your dreams. Go after, meaning to pursue something. He is going after a career in acting. Go back on, meaning to break a promise. Don't go back on your word. Go over, meaning to review or examine. Let's go over the project details once again. Go through, meaning to experience or examine carefully. She had to go through many documents before signing. Grow up, meaning to become an adult. He grew up in a small European town. Hang out with, meaning to spend time with someone. I like to hang out with my friends in the park. Hang on, meaning to wait briefly. Hang on, I'll check the schedule for you. Head for, meaning to move towards a place. We are heading for the mountain village tomorrow. Hold on, meaning to wait or keep a grip. Hold on, I'll be ready in a minute. Hold up, meaning to delay or rob. Traffic held us up for an hour. And that's all for part 1. As you stroll through the parks, streets and cafes of Europe, remember these preposition phrases. They will make your English sound natural, confident and fluent. Practice them in conversations, travel diaries or even during a casual walk outdoors. For part 2, we'll continue with another 50 preposition phrases. Practical, unique and ready for real-life conversations. Keep learning, stay curious and let your English bloom just like the European gardens around you.